This is a simple drunken prawn recipe. Why not cook this for Chinese New Year? This is half a kilogram of tiger prawns which have been deveined. You can use any type of prawns as long as the prawns are fresh. This is 1 slice of danggui and 1 tablespoon of wolfberries soaked in 3 tablespoons of shaoxing wine. Place the prawns in a pot. Add 1 tablespoon of oil, half a teaspoon of salt, half a bowl of water, and the shaoxing wine from which we have used to soak the wolfberries. Mix. Make sure we have enough water to almost cover the prawns. You may add more or less wine according to taste. Cover and turn on the fire. When the mixture starts to boil, open the lid and add the danggui and wolfberries. Stir and make sure we mix everything well. Cover, turn off the gas and let the prawns steep for 4 to 5 minutes depending on the size of the prawns. This is after 5 minutes. I'm checking to see if the prawns are cooked. Remove the prawns. Now we are going to turn on the gas and let the sauce boil. Pour the sauce over the prawns. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please give me a like, subscribe, and share the video with your family and friends.